शहर हैदराबाद में और एक प्रोग्राम यौम जमहूरिया के मौके पर मुनक्किद होने जा रहा है। ये हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा साइकिलिंग का प्रोग्राम होगा। ये GMC बालायोगी स्टेडियम गच्चीबौली से मुनक्किद हो रहा है 26 जनवरी 2014 को। ये सुबह 7 बजे इसकी फ्लैग होस्टिंग AK खान, डायरेक्टर जनरल एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो करेंगे, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स के बच्चे ही नहीं बल्कि कॉरपोरेट MNCs के टेकीज भी करेंगे, जिसमें कुल 6000 साइकिलिस्ट हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। ये राइड 2 किलोमीटर, 6 किलोमीटर, 10 किलोमीटर की होगी। ये प्रोग्राम अवेयरनेस एजुकेशन की अहमियत को और गरीब बच्चों के फंड्स रेजिंग के लिए किया जा रहा है, जिसमें अंजाय नगर गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल, सिद्दीकी नगर गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल, गच्चीबौली प्राइमरी स्कूल और CNN टांडा प्राइमरी स्कूल हिस्सा लेंगे। ये प्रोग्राम अटलांटा फाउंडेशन की तरफ से मुनक्किद किया गया है।
It was a daily event. I think for all of us probably sitting in this room, other the youngsters who are here, cycling used to be a daily event. Going to school was, we were going for cycling. Even when I was doing my engineering also, studying engineering also, I was cycling. When I got my first job, still I was cycling, and I had to request my father that let me buy a scooter or a bike or something. He said, why you can cycle? Why do you need a bike or something? You know, those were the days when cycling was really a part of life, and it was. Today I realize after not using bicycle as a sort of daily routine, how many problems we are facing in our country. You see, probably we have the maximum number of diabetics in the world in our country. Maximum number of people are suffering with high blood pressure or stress-related issues. There is a lot of stress which has entered in our life. So I feel very happy when I was reading the press note over here. The contribution of the IT companies in the numbers in the people who are going for the bicycle ride. As a matter of fact, the entire IT work where we are working before a computer all the time, all the day, maybe 8 to 10 hours a day, at the same time attending to our personal meals, the count of hours may go beyond 10 hours also. A situation comes when because of the entire stress that we are accumulating, and computer is an artificial device, it's not a natural device. We are not used to these type of things maybe 100 years back. We are not used to televisions maybe 20-30 years back. So all these artificial radiations and the entire stress is going in our mind. Our mind is not used to it. We have to go back to nature. So cycling is a way by which we are going back to nature. It's a matter of pride that we have taken this initiative. I think beyond this, some out of the box thinking is also required. We are riding on this particular day. We are riding on 15th August. We are riding on 2nd of October. Yes, very good, very nice. This is something by which we are encouraging the people to join the cyclist bandwagon. Besides that, I was told that a lot of cyclist groups are there in Hyderabad who are otherwise also on weekends they are going for rides and all. That is also very nice. But when I talk about out of the box thinking, what Jayesh was mentioning, having cycling stations and all, because now the city has become very big. You have to travel for 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers traveling by bicycle is slightly difficult for, especially with the traffic that we have got. So maybe we can travel to some MMTS or to some metro rail station. We can take the metro from there. Next place we can get down. We have got bikes ready. We just pay whatever we have to pay for the bike, maybe a few rupees or something. We can be registered user of the bike. We can go to a destination, come back, buy the bike, and again go. So I mean, cycling has to be and can be brought in our day-to-day life like that. Secondly, schools and colleges also I am seeing. Most of the schools in Hyderabad for that matter, and not exactly in smaller towns, most of the schools are so crowded. The culture of sports, the culture of cycling is not there. I wish I would like to talk to the education department in the schools also, where children should be encouraged to cycle. There are big schools like Hyderabad Public School, there are other schools also where they have got their own, the areas they have got. So it has to be gradually brought back into our culture. My generation or our generation is a generation which has used bicycles. We have come to vehicles. Our kids are not using bicycles. As a matter of fact, our kids are not using bicycles. Some of them, I am surprised, they are directly starting on scooters and motorbikes. They are learning balancing directly with scooters and motorbikes. Whereas I remember when I had learned cycling, my father's cycle was, the cycle was much taller than me. So we used to push with on one single pedal and ride. That joy is not there. That joy is not there now. That thing has to come back in our life. I wish all the best to all the people. I really feel from the bottom of my heart that all the people who are participating at the same time, who are listening to the media coverage of the main freedom ride also. I wish all of them also that let us put bicycle as a small part in our daily routine. Let it be 10 minutes, let it be 15 minutes. Let us come back to nature. Thanks.